In this video, I will be showing you some of the features Microsoft Teams and Microsoft OneNote make available on the desktop or computer apps. On this screen here, I've already opened up Microsoft Teams, and you'll notice on the left side pane here, I've clicked to show the teams that I have available in my Microsoft Teams. On the left, you'll see I've pinned several of the courses that I'm teaching this quadmester, but you'll have your own courses up visible on the side here if I've added you or you've been added to the course correctly. Now, all the important information I'm going to be posting for the course will be put here. So from time to time, there will be some announcements. I'll be putting them up under the posts tab of this Microsoft or our course Microsoft Teams page. Now, if you ever need to get a hold of me, let's say you need to send me a message for a reflection we're doing, or you want to call me to ask a question about, let's say, an exercise you're working on through the Khan Academy. If you just hover over my name, you'll see the 4 icons that show up on the screen here. There's a little speech bubble for you to send me a private message. There is a phone on the far right for you to call me. There is also, depending on the app that you're using, if you hover over my name, you'll actually see a little typing in box or a little text box for you to enter in chat questions. And so it's really fast, it's really easy. That's on the computer side of things. Now, the other tool that I wanted to make known to you is if you click here on Class Notebook, you're actually going to load up the Microsoft OneNote page for our course. And I've actually clicked and opened this already on a separate screen, and I've loaded the browser or the web view of our Teams page. You can see it here. Now, for our course, which you see in the top left there, on the left, I have all the dividers or sections of our OneNote. And you can think of OneNote sort of like a virtual or digital binder here. I have all those dividers or sections set up. Whenever we do notes in class, you'll notice there's the class notes section here, which also contains our week 1 divider for the first week of class. And I'll be putting any notes that we write as a class into this section. You'll also notice I've covered up the names here, but you'll also notice that there's a section for each student in the course. Now, I am able to see every student's OneNote notebook for our course. You're only going to be able to see your own. And in your OneNote section, you'll see that there's a divider for extra help and a divider for student notes. The notes section is going to be optional to you. If you want to use OneNote as a virtual binder and you want to upload your notes there, that's fine. I'm asking the whole class, individual students rather, for the entire course, whenever we complete notes, to send them to me on Teams, because it's a lot faster for me to see what you've written down, and it's a lot easier for me to communicate with you if something's wrong or something needs to be fixed. But you're more than welcome to upload your work here. The extra help tab is going to come in handy later on in the course. Whenever we're working on an exercise or a task and you're having trouble, you're actually able to edit these pages and type in whatever questions, or maybe take a screenshot and copy and paste something that was giving you trouble on Khan Academy, and I'm actually able to see it on my computer and I can edit it on my end. So when I call you on Teams, let's say, to help you with what you're having trouble with, we can work through it together and you can see any changes or any notes that I give to you. So that's really useful. In this next video, I'm going to be showing you the features Microsoft Office 365 offers on phones and why the Microsoft Teams, Microsoft OneNote, and Microsoft Lens app are useful for you to install and worth installing, I should say, on your device.